Hello everyone, welcome to IMS Gate Academy. Here is a recruitment update from DVC, Damodar Valley Corporation, which is a government company under the Ministry of Power. When you will go to the official website of DVC, you can see here on the recruitment notice, one advertisement has been posted for recruitment of management trainees technical through GATE 2022 for Bokaro Power Supply Company Limited. So when you will click on this one, the detailed advertisement will be open. Let's talk about this detailed advertisement. This advertisement has been posted on 26th July. So you can see they are going to recruit for the management trainee on the basis of GATE 2022 scorecard. Okay, so there will be no extra written test, no interview, only directly basis on the GATE 22 scorecard. Let's see the more details here. So you can see recruitment for the management trainees technical through GATE 22 for Bokaro Power Supply Company BPSCL. Okay, and here we can see first of all the DVC, Damodar Valley Corporation under the Ministry of Power. Okay, this is a joint venture of Steel Authority of India Limited and DVC. So they are going to recruit for the BPSCL. Okay, now let's see here. First of all, the category wise discipline, as it is mentioned, the number of posts for mechanical, it is mechanical 9. The reservation is mentioned here. You can see electrical 6, C and I 2. So total number of vacancies are 17 here. Okay, let's talk about the upper age limit. So upper age limit for all these posts is mechanical, electrical and C and I. Upper age limit will be 28 year. Okay, and now let's talk about the maximum age limit. As it is mentioned here, you can see the relaxation eligibility criteria, a valid GATE score in 2022, GATE 22. Okay, so candidate should have appeared in the corresponding paper with the paper code. I will tell you this one. Okay, and they should have a valid GATE scorecard. Okay, now so this is, you can see one very important thing is mentioned here, GATE marks of 21 or prior to that as well of GATE 23 are not valid. So only and only GATE 22 marks out of 100 are valid for this recruitment. So this is very important thing. All right, so let's see here the post name. This is MT Management Trainee Mechanical. Post number is mentioned here. Any student who is having a BE BTech degree in mechanical can apply with the GATE 22 paper, GATE 22 valid scorecard. So paper code for GATE 22 should be ME. Okay, mechanical production, industrial and engineering production, industrial, as it is mentioned. For MT management trainee electrical and electronics, electrical and instrumentation, control power system, as it is mentioned, paper code should be EE here. For C and I management trainee instrumentation and control, instrumentation, applied electronics, instrumentation, electronics, as telecommunication, electronics and telecommunication, electronics and communication can also apply. Paper code must be IN or EC here. Okay, so now let's talk about the next essential qualification. The candidate must have a BE BTech degree, okay, with minimum 65% marks. If a candidate is from the SC ST PWD, then that marks will be 55%. Okay, minimum marks is 55%. Now, so the same for the mechanical, electrical, CNI, as it is mentioned, some medical conditions. Now this is important, training and probation. So candidates selected as management trainees will be placed on the training for the 1 year. First of all, they will train you for the 1 year and then your job will be started. Okay, now let's talk about the remuneration. Here the management trainee will be offered basic pay of rupees 50,000 per month. Pay scale will be 50,000 to 1,60,000. The annual CTC will be 13.32 lakhs, so which is actually very good. Okay, now here it is mentioned the training after completion of 1 year training, they will give you the designation as assistant manager E1 grade and will be placed on the probation for 1 year, as the pay scale will be 60,000 to 1,80,000. So this is again a very good thing. So place of posting will be Bokaro Steel City, Jharkhand. Okay, and here the detailed terms, as it is mentioned, you can see for the year 22 pay and allowances, everything is mentioned, you can see here. Okay, and medical examination will be also there for the selected candidates. Now the Selection, this is term and condition, more are mentioned, you can check it out here. More conditions are given to you, general instructions are also given, we can go through this one. The selection process, this is important. The selection process consists of marks obtained out of 100 in the corresponding paper of GATE 22. Eligible candidate must have appeared in the corresponding paper code, as I told you about the MEEEIN or EC should be there, okay, paper code. Candidate qualified in the corresponding paper of GATE 22 shall only be eligible so for the next stage. So then they will call you for the selection, next stage of selection. Qualifying marks of GATE 22 shall be decided by the GATE 22 conducting authority. Okay, now here as it is mentioned, as I told you, GATE 21 or a 23 scorecard will not be work here, okay, it's not valid. So after that, as it is mentioned, offer letter will be given to you on the basis of your GATE 22 score. Now here, for applying, candidate belonging to general, OBC, NCL or EWS need to pay rupees 300, okay, non-refundable through online mode only, SBI Collect, okay. And here if the candidate is from SC, ST, PWD, XSM and BPSCL departmental candidates are exempted from the payment, so there is no need to pay for these candidates, okay. Okay, now here the more details are mentioned, you can go through this one. For payment, you can go through this website and you can make your payment. So every step is mentioned here, you can go through these steps and you can fill your form, okay. For more details, you can go through this website www.dvc.gov.in and you can get the more informations also. Now let's talk about here the, as it is mentioned, candidates, if the shortlist is for the document verification, are required to mandatory bring their original GATE 22 scorecard as received from the GATE authority at the time, okay, of DV. Clear? So now more details are mentioned, we can go through. Let's talk about the important date. What is the last date? Let's check it out here. The last date for applying. So the mode of application is already started from the 26th July 2023. Last date will be 17th August 2023. So you should be careful for the last date because the online submission is already started. You can go fill up to 17th August 2023. Same for the payment of application fee also, the last date is same. So more informations are mentioned here, you can go through this detail and you can just fill this application form. Stay connected to IIMS GATE Academy. Thank you.